Welcome to this course, and in this course we are going to discuss about Postgres database. There is a lot of confusion where people is saying like whether it is possible to connect Postgres database using PowerShell or not. Of course, you will able to connect Postgres database with PowerShell very easily. There is a multiple of ways, like just I will take an example of SQL Server. So SQL Server, how you are connecting? You will able to connect SQL Server as command lines. You will able to connect SSMS. You will able to connect your SQL Server using the PowerShell. Not only PowerShell, PowerShell ISE also you will able to connect. And if you are connecting with the PowerShell, there is the also different ways is there. You will able to connect using commandlets. You will able to connect with SMOs. You will able to connect your SQL Server using .NET library, right? So, if you want to connect with Postgres database, here also there is a lot of ways are there where you can connect. If you want to connect with the graphical interface, you can go with the pgadmin 4. That one I have installed. I am not going to discuss how to install this because there is a lot of videos is available, so we will discuss later. Now also you can go to the YouTube, you will find out there is the multiple of videos is available for installation of pgadmin and no Postgres. So that is one way, is like you will go with the pgadmin. Second way is you will go to the command lines. This is the command prompt. I will just open run as administrator. I will give yes. Okay, so now my command lets it came. Don't worry about this color because I have changed the color from here. I will go to the property and you will able to change front and all. So don't confuse why command window is coming in this color. So just for viewing purpose, I have changed it. So the clearation will be good. So if you want to connect with PSSQL, you have to use PSQL, right? This is the Postgres. You have to type -h and you have to give the server name. In my case, uh, in this host only, I have installed my um, Postgres database. So I will write here -h localhost. After that, you have to provide the port number. You can, for port number, you have to type -p and 5444. This is my port number, which one I have used for the installation time. Once you are going and installing, then you will see where it is coming. I will release the video that also how to install PostgreSQL, or otherwise you can go, you can see in there's multiple of videos is available. You can install into the um, Windows plus Linux also. So after that, you have to type that username, that is -u and Postgres. My user in this case, I have given the Postgres only. Yes. And once I will press enter, it will ask for the password. So I have given this password, and now I have connected with the Postgres. So you will see this line, it is showing like Postgres is equal to has means it is connected with the Postgres. If you want to know, you can give see, so it is saying like you have connected to which database. So any database you want to connect, you can give it. If you're giving -l, it is going to tell you which database, which are the database is available. So we will discuss later about this Postgres and temp0 and temp1. As of now, just these three are the system database, and what is the different work, that one we will discuss into the later session. My intention is just for no connect the database using the PowerShell. So that only we are going to target in this course, in this video. That is also that PowerShell, connecting the PowerShell using PowerShell ISE using the Postgres. So once we are going with the postgrad, this command is working whenever you are working on command this one command window CMD. So that is you will able to connect. And if you are going directly with PowerShell, that's why I'm telling you it is just PowerShell. It is not PowerShell ISE. So here also you will able to easily you will able to connect with postgre with the same command PSQL, and you will type -h host name, not host name, it is a local host. Then -p, you have to provide the port number, in my case 5444. Then -u is postgrad. What is my user? My user is uh, Postgres, and once I will press enter, it will ask for the password 5, and I have given, I am entering, I am inside this Postgres database. Same thing if I will do #c, so it is saying like I now you are connected with this database. If you want to connect with 01 or template 0 or template 1, you will able to connect. There is the different uses there for this system database, that one we will discuss later. Same command, if you will go and you will run into the uh, our PowerShell ISE, whether it will work, it will not work. It will not work. It will take time, and continuously it will try to connect, but it will fail after some time. So you cannot connect PowerShell ISE directly. That is the one thing. And the second thing is that one also, just I will give you overview of this. I have installed my this Postgres database here. I have given the pg install file here, right? In this file, you will see there is one file that is called a pghba. There is one file, configuration file. If you open, you will able to see this. There is the lot of no command is there, and that entry, right? I have used this method MD5, right? That is the different method is there. If I will change this method to true, just I will make it true now. uh, just some few things I am going to explain you here, then I will jump to the PowerShell ISE. So if I will go and if I will save this file, right, and after that if I'm opening one more command window, CMD, and right click, run as administrator. I've given this yes, and in this point I'm writing PSQL -h localhost -p 5444 -u postgrad postgres, and press the enter, right? So sorry, config could not load that. Okay, it is not loaded. I have to restart this services.msc, just to give some time. In mint, I will just I'm restarting it, so I'm pausing the recording now here. Sorry, I have given the method as it's, I have to give the trust, not true. So that one I have given the mistake. So trust I have to give, not true. So make it the trust, because if you go to the above, you can see there is the different method is there. Before I have used the 5 MD5, right? And when I use the MD5, so I have to enter the password, right? This time I am just using the trust. Let's see what will be happen if I will use the trust. So I will just save it. This is the configuration file, and after that, once I am going to my this window, enter it. So now let's see what is the result. Okay, again it is giving this. It is server is running that local accepting it is weakness. Okay. So I just started it. This was not running that time. So now you see, um, once I have changed this to trust, right? It is not asking any password, right? So that method, which method you are using, depending upon that, it will your Postgres is going to react. It is not like your SQL Server, like you have the two authentication and you are using that Windows authentication, so it is will not ask the password. Here it is not. You can control this everything from your this configuration file, and the configuration file is pg hba.configuration file, right? So in this configuration file, you have to make the entry for the each and every server, which one it has to be connected. So Postgres is more securable also, right? As per security, it's providing more securable. Many people is saying like Postgres is not securable. No, guys, Postgres is, compared to other RDBMS, it is secure. Many people having the confusion, Postgres is a relational database or not. Yes, it is a relational database and it is following the ACID property, and this is too much popular nowadays. So what I will say, if you are working as a SQL DBA, right? And I have created a lot of video for you guys for the SQL DBA and working with the PowerShell. Many people has taken the course from me, and they have already developed a lot of script. So this is the best time, guys. If you want to move or you want to learn any database, please learn the Postgres database only, because this is going to become very popular in this, in coming days, right? And always I'm telling you guys, if you are working as a DBA, and you at least you have to learn two things you have to put in your mind. One thing is yours, one thing is your no cloud, and second thing is automation. So these two things is you should have to learn as a DBA. Cloud plus automation, right? If you want to go anywhere, this two will only come in your life, right? So if you are going to tell, and third thing is also there, you have to do the certification. Along with this, you have to upgrade, and you have to learn the new things, right? But in the market nowadays, this cloud and automation is too popular, and because of this, no, lot of people not getting the opportunity, because if you are going, they want like who knows the cell scripting or who can do that all work into the cloud. Cloud is also ocean, right? So they want like they will reduce many people, and they will put as a DBA only. You have to work on each and everything, like if any issues happen or performance thing, so you have the portal access, and using the portal you will go and do it. And if you want to automate, like if the 10 people is doing the work, reduces to 4 people, automate everything, so using the PowerShell. That's why this two is very very important. Along with this, always I am telling you guys, just no, learn 2 3 database concept at least. So before I was saying like learn Oracle, but or Sybase, because Sybase market is too less, and it is comparison with SQL, right? Almost everything is same, because before Sybase was only there, and after that Microsoft has launched the MS SQL database, right? And there was actually, if you will see, the maximum concept will be almost same as Sybase and SQL, but Sybase market is too less nowadays. So I'm saying like don't go with that one, but that's why I'm telling you go with the Postgres database. It is very very useful. If I will go to the just no as per market, you will see the um, MySQL, then Postgres, then MS SQL Server. Even market coverage is now moving for the PostgreSQL. If you are SQL DBA, it is okay for you. You can. I'm not saying it is a bad, but as a DBA, always you have to build the work on the multiple of domain. Nowadays, you will see that people, if you are working as a SQL, they will tell you, give you the Oracle also work to handle it. Not in the small organization. Big organization, they having the different team, but there also they will tell you to work on the cross platform, because as per market, right? So that's why if you want to learn and you are a SQL DBA, go with the Postgres SQL. And because this is market coverage is also good, and security wise is also good, and maybe in future this database is going to become too much popular. Okay, so coming to the next part, if so how we can connect with, um, not still it is not connected, so how we can connect with PowerShell ISE to no Postgres. So if you want to connect, you have to install the ODBC driver, right? And OCVC driver only you have to use to the connectivity. Let understood this, like if you are many time, like I have to get the data from Oracle, or in the if you will see, like in your organization you will work in the multiple of databases, not one database. Like you will in your organization you will see there is some team which is working on Oracle, Sybase, DB2, then MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server. There is a multiple, and sometime what will be happen, you have to take the all data from the different database, right? For that you are creating the replication between Sybase and SQL or Oracle, something like that. So in that time, right, you have to connect the two databases. Just example, if you want to connect to SQL Server, right, what you are doing, you are creating the link server between that, right? From one link server to other link server you are trying to connect. But if you want to connect with the two different cross-platform, right, that time ODBC driver is important. If you want to create the link server, I think it is a very simple way. You are going and creating the link server. But I will tell you, if you are the SQL DBA, go and try to create the link server using ODBC driver. You will able to create, right? And very simple also, if you are in the SQL server, only to SQL server if you want to create, you can going with the link server, and directly you are providing the server name, which server you want to connect, and providing the access and all part. That is simple things. But if you want to do these things with the ODBC driver, that also you will able to do. Same way, you have the replication, you are taking the data, manipulating something, you are doing that time also, you will create some no ODBC driver to get the data or replicate from here to there, right? uh, so here also, if you want to get the data from that Postgres to PowerShell, you have to create one connection, and that connection is ODBC driver. So guys, I'm here, I'm clearly mention you, I am trying to connect my Postgres database using the .NET features, right? If you are talking about commandless, like those guys already who has taken the class from me, they already aware of this, what is the commandlets, right? How to import the model, and if you are importing the model, commandlets and function, many things you will able to import, right? So here I am not connecting with commandless, because if you'll go with the command, easily you will be able to connect. I'm connecting with .NET features using PowerShell ISE. So for here I have to create one one connection, and in the connection string I have to provide the ODBC driver. So just I will go and first I will install the ODBC driver, and then we will go and we'll see. So ODBC driver, if you want to install, so you can go with here. Okay, so before that, guys, I will tell you one more thing. So you can see there is a, because okay, meantime when it will download, then I will discuss. So it should be better. I will start downloading. Postgres ODBC driver, I will click here, and directly I'm going with the Postgres down level side. I will click in this. After that, I'm going to click in the parent directory, and then version old I'm going, and then MSI. After MSI, I'm clicking on 16/7/2022, which is launch. I will click here. Let's see. It is downloading now. So I think it's downloaded. What happened? Okay, it is downloaded now, right? And same thing, which one it is downloaded, 160000000. I have already kept in this folder in my desktop. There is one PG folder, and you can see this is right. This is the software. So you have to go to here and just double click on this. Once you will double click, it is asking for ODBC. You can go and write the install and press yes. It is installation is in progress. So installation completed successfully. Just I will close now. After that, press this one Windows and type ODBC. ODBC, go click on the 64-bit, right? So now you will not see anything, right? You have to add. Once you will go add, then you will see the Postgres. This driver is already installed here, right? There is some SQL is there. If you will install the Oracle and Oracle driver, Sybase driver like that, you can install multiple of drivers, because when we are installing the SQL Server, so by default SQL Server ODBC driver will automatically it will install here. I will go with the PostgreSQL and I'm writing the finish, right? So it is asking the data source name. So whenever we want to connect our Postgres database, right, I will use this source, right? And this source you can use with the multiple of things, like you want to connect with the two different data source database. That time also you can use the ODBC driver and you can use this name. You will not use the host name or port number, anything, right? So again, what is the database name? And you know that in this Postgres database, I have I explain you, right? There is the three databases is there /c. So I want to connect with Postgres, and you know that this is the Postgres user and Postgres database. So I want to connect with this database. So I will go and I will give here Postgres. What is my server? Server will be localhost, and then username will be always Postgres. When I was installing this Postgres, I have used 5444 and my password was this. Okay, and I will just copy this because this is the thing I have to use. First I will do the test connection. My test connection is successful. I am saving this. Once I will save, it is came here, right? And just I will click OK, right? After clicking on OK, what I'm going to do, I will go here and I will go to my T-SQL code, right? And of course, this is the PowerShell code, and in this code, just I have to give the this name of this source, which one you have seen in the given the ODBC driver, and database is Postgres, just this. And this is the command. This is the .NET connectivity I am using. And no, in this Postgres database, if you want to go, and this is the PG admin. PG admin is your geographical tool. Which one you will handle is the same as your SSMS, right? So if you click here, just I want to see like which database, which table I want to fetch or what I want to do. So if you will click, it will not connect with your database. Just you have to go to you provide your password, and after providing the password, click on OK. So what happened now, this PG4 admin is going to connect with your database. It's having multiple of things. Why I am telling you guys, it is almost same as your SQL Server only. SQL Server also having the concept of a schema. Here also it's having the concept of a schema. There also it is like this all. So after in the next video session, we will discuss this all views, how it is going to work. So later video session, I'm going to create this. So you can see I have created already test one database, right? This is coming under the schema, public schema, right? And if you want, you can create your own schema also, and then you can create. So now it is coming under the public schema. If I will expand, you can see the column detail also. You will able. It is same as almost same as your no SQL Server only, right? If you'll right click on this test, right? So again, this question is how we can connect with this database and how we can run the fire this any command in PG4 admin. That is very simple. Just you right click on this, go to the query tool. Once you are clicking on the query tool, this is means this you have connected with Postgres database. So you can see that's the post no grid database, right? You can go here and you can try select star from what is the table name is test one, and there is again two window is there. It is same as your PowerShell. Like if you are going to press F5 means whatever line you have written here, 2 3 4 10, everything is going to be executed, or if you are just clicking on this one, means one line is going to be executed. So I will click here. I'm getting the result in this ID. This 2 is there, right? So you can see the constraint also. I don't have anything constraint, and then index. I don't have anything index here I have created. So it is not giving the result. So almost you understood, right? So same command, I want to fire it from the PowerShell window. So what I will do, these are the .NET connectivity. I'm not going with the more deeper, because if you want to know how this .NET feature will work, because you already know PowerShell is already built on the top of the .NET, right? So that's why .NET, whatever command is there, new object, whatever thing we are doing, it will be going to use same, right? And PowerShell is very, very popular, right? It is powerful, right? And now you can use the PowerShell with the Windows and Linux also. And PowerShell, it will be used for the any database. You have seen it, right? SQL also I was working. Sybase also you can do it, right? It will be used for all multiple of operating system, like Wintel people will use the PowerShell. SCOM people will also use the PowerShell. Sometime your service desk people will also do. AD people will also do this PowerShell, right? So once you are learning the PowerShell, you can use anywhere. So so that's why always I am focusing you to learn the PowerShell, right? So because see, one time you will learn, you can use the PowerShell with the any database, right? So now you can see that I am just explain you this for the SQL, but now I am going and explaining you into the Postgres database. So what I'm going to do, you can see here there is a connection name I have given, which one I have created from here, and there is some .NET thing is there, right? After that, I am taking the data, I am just displaying it. Once I will execute it, see, it is saying that whatever data is there, right? So same thing, what I'm trying to do, I will just, and if you want to run from the Postgres, right, it is very simple. Only the problem it is with PowerShell ISE. ISE, if you want to connect, then only you have to create the ODBC driver and then you have to connect. Simple PowerShell window, there is no problem. Directly you will be able to connect. If I have to insert some data, right? Insert, because you already know you have connected through the Postgres database. So hash C, if you will give, it is going to give you which database you are connected, right? If you want to change the database, connect with other database, that also it is possible, right? From this window, I'm not going to that one how to do just I will try to insert some data. Insert into what is the test one values. This time I will try to insert 3, because 1 2 3, and after that you have to give the semicolon, enter, right? So it is given the insert 0 1. So just I will fire this command. Let's see what is the result I'm getting now. So now you are getting the 1 2 3. So from here, if you want, it is very easy. Directly you can select whatever you want, you can do from this PowerShell. Select star from test one. So it is giving 1 2 3 same. So you can insert very easily from here. Directly you have connected to the database. The problem will come once you will go and work with PowerShell ISE. So you will able to connect, you will able to perform the, so if you are able to connect, means you will able to perform multiple of works. In the later video session, we will discuss something called commandlets for this, and then we will see how we can do the automation. And it is almost same, because no, you can go, I have released lot of videos related with PowerShell and SQL Server. Some script I have developed for the OS also. You can go to the my channel and you can watch it. Guys, if you like my video, if you want more video has to published, please subscribe my channel. It is a humble request for you guys, and then you can see that no new things, new thing we will I will write the script and all, and then we will see. So again, that few more thing I will discuss about this Postgres, guys. There is again there is a many confusion for guys right now. So PowerShell, this Postgres, what about the addition of the Postgres, like which are the addition is available into that Postgres? So Postgres having the three addition. One is called as community editor, right? So you can see this is, that's why whenever you will open the Postgres, so don't become confused. Sometime you will see this one is coming here, right? So you can downloadable, everything is coming here, right? Download, if you'll go, so it will give you that no like to download the Postgres, right? And if you'll go to this one, here also it is saying that download the PostgreSQL. So don't confuse in this two. You can see there is something called EDB, right? And here you can see it is the community pack. Community edition is totally free edition. Anybody can download and you can work. This is the fully open source, right? So you can know open source this one Postgres. But here what will be going to be happen, if you're going to install this from the community edition, you will not get the support. Of course there is no some email is there where you can send that for the support. You will get after some time, you will get some no help from this side. But if you are going with the EDB, means enterprise database management, right? So if you are going with this editor, it is totally chargeable and you have to pay, and there is support is also provided from the Postgres. So many people is thinking like, if it is the open source, we will not get the support, like, so if something will happen, who is the responsible, where I will go? Like Microsoft is providing you the support. Here also you will get the support if you are going with the enterprise DB manager in the Postgres. But if you are going with that Postgres community update, you will not get any support. The support you will get, but in using the email you will get. So guys, it is a, and third one, which one I forget to discuss, that is the cloud base, right? So Postgres is available in the cloud also, depending upon Azure or AWS, which one subscribes subscription you are taking. For that you have to pay, and maybe it will not charge for the PostgreSQL, but it is the subscription which one you are taking. According to that, you have to pay to the no pay to that vendor, either it is the AWS or Google Cloud or your Azure. But this is going to become very, very useful, very, very popular in coming days, guys. So this is a few things I already told. This is working as a it is possible. You can install it in the operating system. It should be Linux, and that all Linux flavor, then Windows, anywhere you can install. The later session, I'm going to explain you this how to install in the Linux and all. So you can see it is given here, like Postgres feature is no it will work for the ACID property. So guys, so only no RDMS, which one you will take, which will be follow the ACID property. If your database is not following the ACID property, right, so that one will not use as a production, right? So non-prod environment you can use, because here data consistency is more important, and Postgres is also giving the consistency. We'll discuss more theory part. I think this much is not enough for you guys, right? The main purpose was to show you that IES, how we can connect. There is the multiple of thing is there to teach you. There is a multiple of thing is there I have to show you in this, so in the later video session I'm going to publish few more video. There we will discuss on the either scripting part or either something history of that Postgres, like how the Postgres came and why it is going to become very, very popular, and why that all company want to adopt this Postgres. You will see that there is a lot of migration is going on. So why people is doing, so what are the new third party tool it's coming with the Postgres, right? So that everything we will discuss into the later session, not now. I will show you this PG admin also, how to work with it. I will compare with SQL Server with Postgres, why you have to learn the Postgres if you are the SQL DBA, right? So because you will understood this. So guys, for that's for today, guys. Please continue my video session, and whatever I am going to release the video. If you want to learn the PowerShell for the SQL Server DBA, please go and buy my course from the Udemy link. I will give you on no in this site. So easily you will go and you can take the course from This is the one I have created, the PowerShell for HTML health check report. And there is one more course which one I have created, that not this, PowerShell for this is the PowerShell scripting and automation for SQL Server DBA. This is also one course which one I have created. Many people has liked this course. This is totally automation for the SQL Server only. Now I have started new things, that is for the Postgres. So later, no, you will able to see that. So now this you can see the if you want to pay a little bit less price, so you can just ping me. My email address already you know, right? PowerShell for SQL Server DBA. So you can see that this Udemy is giving the offer also. That's why you will be getting in the less price, 499. Actual price is 799 for this. So if you are seeing like price is more and you don't have that much money, you can just ping me. I will give you the coupon code also. So price will be totally reduced to the more than 50%, guys. So please go and just go through this course if you are going, because here what happened already, script is built, right? So what is going to be happen, easily you will understood that no SQL DBA concept. Um, SQL DBA concept, and you can able to implement into the Postgres also. So thanks for guys for watching my video. That's for today. In the later video session, I will come with something new, and then we will see what we can do. Thank you so much.